Hi, how are you friends? Hearty welcome of you. Myself Pramod Gharat from NM Joshi Vidyapan Goregaon. Today we are going to deal with bridge activity. Activity number 42. The name of the activity is Speak about surrounding environment. In this activity we are going to develop our speaking skills. Speak in English about the events in the school environment and outside in the surrounding. Students, you know that if we try to understand about these four skills, LSRW, L means listening, S means speaking, R means reading, and W means writing. In this four skill, there is speaking skills, and you know that we are students of Marathi mediums, so that we hesitate to speak English, and so that we can't communicate with our friends, with our parents, and others in English. So that last 3 years, government has undertaken a gigantic work, that is English ecosystems, and in these English ecosystems, we have celebrate this Saturday as a English Day. The main object of this activity is to encourage the student to speak in English. Now, in this activity, we are going to speak little but in English. Look at here, you should read and understand this activity well. If you have any doubt in this activity, you should contact your teacher. Use relevant vocabulary for speaking. Dear students, in this activity, look at there is simple questions and you should give me response. You know that in our chit chat activities also there is simple questions. The main object of this chit chat activity is to speak freely, so that there are some questions given here. I'm going to ask you question, you should answer me. Do you like animals? Do you like animals? Then tell me the name of any five animals that you find in your surrounding. Do you know the difference between pet animals and wild animals? Explain in brief. Which is your favorite animal? Speak in three or four sentences. Here is the first question. Do you like animals? Of course, your response is yes, I do. Tell me name of five pets animals that you find in your surrounding. You know that in our surrounding we daily see dog, cat, cow, buffalo, ox, etc. Next question, do you know the difference between pet animal and wild animal? Explains in brief. Yes, you we know that pet animals means the animal which we see in our locality, and wild animals lives in jungle. The next question there is, which is your favorite animal? Speak three or four sentences about it. You should speak about your favorite pet animal. For example, my favorite pet animal is dog. It's give me company. It plays with me. It protects and guard our house. I feel comfortable in its company. Means in this way, you can give your response. Dear students, your response is most important here. When you give response, then slowly you can communicate with English, or you can speak in English, so that in your class, in your surrounding, you should use maximum English words in your speaking. Then you should ask such type of simple questions to your friends, to your family members. Try to collect responses from them, and then if you do the practice regularly, definitely you will speak in English. Now look at here the responses. Just I have response you. Do you like animal? Yes, I do. Tell me the name of five pets animals that you find in your surrounding. There are response: dog, cat, cow, buffalo, ox. Do you know the difference pet animals between pet animals and wild animal? Here is the given difference between pet animal and wild animal. Pet animals means the animals which we see in our locality, and the wild animals lives in jungle. And your response about favorite pet animals. You can take any favorite pet animal, my dog, my cat, my cow, etc. Then here is extension activities given for you. Speak a few lines on any wild animals that you like, and then make a list of the names of the wild animal. You should speak a few animals of any pet animal or wild animal that you like with your friends or with your family member, and then you should write a list of the names of wild animal in your beach course notebook. Thank you very much.